Welcome, today in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why I just tap to install, and now let's wait a couple of seconds. After that, let's just open the app, click here yes I agree, tap to close, on the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here the information about temperature of our device battery, and in my case that's 29 degrees. Also we can find here more just info like the battery level, health, capacity, device voltage, just Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.